Hi guys, Shanice here from Pink Sugar Shop, Pink Sugar School, and Party Mavens. Like and subscribe to see all of my videos. Let's get started. Hi guys, we're going to jump right in and start uploading the SVG file into Cricut Design Space. Again, you're going to want to use the SVG if you're on a Cricut. Once you have it uploaded, I change my size to 7.525, that's the height, and 3.67 is the width. You can also type it in on the top if you don't want to do it manually. So once you have that set, you're going to see that it's all grouped together over in the layers, and you want to just hit ungroup. So right click and ungroup, and you'll have two layers, the score lines and the box itself. We're going to click on the box itself and we're going to change it to white because we do not want it to print any color. So white works just fine for this. Next, we're going to click the score line layer and we're going to come over to line type and make sure we drop down to score. That's going to change those lines to score lines so the Cricut will know what to do with it. Next, we're just going to add some text. You can add your logo here. Make sure that it is a PNG file if you are adding it, so that there's no color behind it. The laser toner and the foil respond to dark colors, so black is best if you can get it in black. If you can't, feel free to type it like I just did. Once you have those all set, I'm just going to go ahead and grab the box layer, those two layers, and I'm going to flatten those so that the Cricut knows I don't want the text cut, I just want it printed. Next, I'm going to attach everything and send it to print. Make sure to have bleed off when you send it to print. Okay, so once you have it printed, you'll see where the toner printed our logo and the registration mark. You'll just add it to your mat and you'll begin the cut process. The screen will guide you on the Cricut. You're going to need your scoring tool for the first part. So it's just going to go along and score all the parts where we'll fold, and then you'll switch to your knife blade. Your screen will let you know when it's done, and then it's time to take it out and take it off the mat. Next, we're going to add reactive foil to this using an Amazon laminator. Now this is just a regular Amazon Basics laminator. It goes up to 3 mil and 5 mil. And that just depends on the thickness of your paper. I always use 5 mil because I believe it applies a little bit more heat and pressure, and I want the results to be as seamless as possible. Next, I'm going to just take a regular sheet of copy paper, my foil. I'm going to fold that paper in half, cut a piece of foil, and add it right over my box. When the green light is blinking, that means it's ready to go and you can pass it through your laminator. You can do 2 passes if you feel you need, but 1 usually works good for me. So as you can see, it's reacting to the toner that was on the box, and that's the only place it should stick. If it sticks elsewhere, let me know in the comments and I have some tips that can help. So now we're just going to go through the folding process. This part I don't really need to talk you through because the folds are already there. I am using a boning tool to help me out and to give me a deeper crease, but that's optional as well, especially if your scoring tool is new and sharp. It's going to score really precisely, so all you really need to do at that point is fold. So I'm just folding my tabs in and making sure they have a nice crease. After that, I'm going to go ahead and add my adhesive. There's a little tab that sticks out on the side. You just run your adhesive along that tab. I'm using a permanent tape runner, and I'll put that in the comments as well. And now it's time to fold. You meet the 2 sides together, press securely, and that's it. And you can fold the tabs in on the top and the bottom. If I do them as favors, I usually glue the bottom tabs so that there's only one way to open them. But you can do whatever you feel. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys one more time using a different color paper and a different color foil. So it's the same steps, I just sped it up a little. I'm just adding the foil and passing it through the laminator. These are really, really easy, you guys. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to do a bunch, pass them through, and maybe split it up between different days. So you'll cut everything in one day and then, add your foil the next day and then fold the next day, and it won't be such a tedious task if you're doing a bulk order. So I just want to take you guys through and show you some different containers I have lying around and how well they fit in the box. This is actually the 10 ml lip gloss container that a lot of businesses use. You'll have a little clearance in the box, but not much. It fits perfectly, everything closes perfectly, and you're all set. The gold is so pretty, you guys. I can't even stop looking at it. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you another lip gloss. These are the standard lip glosses a lot of people are wholesaling and using for their businesses lately. So I just wanted to show you guys it fits perfectly, the box closes perfectly with it in it, and you're all set. So that's it, you guys. I really hope you guys loved this tutorial and you learned something new. If you did, please hit like and subscribe and turn the bell on for notifications. I have some more makeup box tutorials coming soon. I'm playing with the templates now and I can't wait to bring them to you. If you have any suggestions, you can let me know in the comments below. Make sure you follow me everywhere: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I'm at Pink Sugar Shop. And if you guys like this template and you want to see more templates like it, I do a ton of party favor templates over on pinksugarschool.com. Thanks again for watching. See you next video.